Today we've made it back here to Cherry Grove Point. And what we'll do is park at the end of Ocean Boulevard and make our way through this little walkway here, which will take you right out to the point and to the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. What's happening, everybody? Beachin With The Boones, and today we're here on Cherry Grove Point. We just made it back. We just made it through the little walkway here at the end of Ocean Boulevard, which is right that way. Come through the little path. You'll see the dunes, and you'll see the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Took off my shoes. The sand's still warm. Here it is, the beginning of November. And this part of the beach is pretty secluded. See, there's still a few people here, but not a lot. And there's the Sea Cabin Pier. It was damaged at one time. It looks like it's probably put back together. If we get a chance, we'll head down that way and look at it. And if you remember, on the other side of the dunes there, the Angel of Hope statue, somebody said it's been replaced again with a new one, so we'll go check it out. And look who I found hanging around here. Yeah, I might. So what we'll do is come down this way and see if I can look on the other side of the dunes and see the Angel of Hope statue. See if there's a new one out here. I'm not sure if there is or not. The waves are kind of small today. Well, it looks like the Angel of Hope is further out than it was the last time. I thought it was right in this area a couple years ago, and then it was removed or stolen or whatever happened to it. Now there's a new one, but it seems to be way out there where I don't have my shoes on. I left them at the front. And I don't feel like going through the stickers, but we'll zoom in and show you Angel of Hope. What? Look at that extra pier that was gone. All right, we're gonna have to, that was a quick walk around or close to the Cherry Grove Point. And we looked at the Angel of Hope from a distance. But we're gonna have to cut this video a little bit shorter because it seemed to be a lot more cars out there where we normally park. And my tail end sticking a little bit out, and I don't want to get a ticket. or towed. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe because it is free. And if you click that bell notification, it'll let you know when we post new videos. And we do post them weekly. Until next time, as I show Bunny B, keep beaching.